everyone, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to make a dish that I'm just kind of thinking of putting together. I've got some steak here, it's stew meat, and I'm going to brown it. This is in my Instant Pot. I'm cooking everything in my 8-quart Instant Pot today, and I'm just going to sear this steak, and I should do it in 2 batches, but my kids are hungry, my grandchild's hungry, so I'm just going to do this as fast as I can. So I'm putting the stew meat in here, and then I've got my tongs, and I'm just going to move it around and get this steak searing up. It's on high on the saute. It's on saute and the more. I did saute, adjust, and then move the button up to more. And I've put about a tablespoon and a half of canola oil in here. I want to get some grapeseed oil, and I'll probably get that tomorrow. But now I'm using canola oil in here, and I'm going to let this sear up. And I've got 1 whole onion here, and I'm going to put that in here with this, also with the stew meat, well, the stir-fry meat. And let this cook, the onions cook with the steak. And when this gets seared up, I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, this is really not searing. It's kind of just boiling, which I knew it was going to do. But I have some spices here that I'm going to put in here. I have 1 tablespoon of onion powder. I have a half a tablespoon of garlic powder. I have 2 tablespoons of parsley flakes. I have a tablespoon of this Morton sea salt rub. It's Southwest barbecue. I have 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, and I have 1 tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper. Alright, I'm going to put all this in here, and I'm going to stir it around. Alright, and then I'm going to fix 3 cups of long grain white rice. Maybe 3 cups. Alright, there's 1. There's 2. Might just be 2. There's 2. Nope, 2.5. Alright, 2.5 cups of broth, of long grain white rice. I've got 1 32-ounce box of beef broth that I'm going to put in here. Alright. It's supposed to be 1-to-1 ratio when you're cooking rice, but I want this to be a little more moist than on a 1-to-1 basis. Alright, so now I'm going to put the top on. I'm going to make sure that it's sealed. Alright, let me show you. Turn it around. Right there is on sealing. I'm going to put this on here. Turn it around. Alright, let me drop y'all down so you can see what I'm going to do. Back this out. Alright, I'm going to turn saute off. Alright, and then I'm going to go manual. And I think I'm going to go 10 minutes on this. It's usually around 7 minutes, but I'm going to do 10 because I do have more broth in here than it's called for, and the steak and the spices. So you hear it, it just turned on. Now it's going to build up the pressure, and once it gets up the pressure, it will cook for 10 minutes, and then I'll probably let the pressure come down to for around 5 minutes, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, this is cooked, and I'm going to see what it tastes like. I'm putting some on my plate, and it's going to have to cool off. It's really a lot thicker than I wanted it to be, but it smells amazing. I'm hoping it's going to taste kind of like chicken and rice. I don't know. Alright, so I'll bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I want to taste this. I can't wait to taste it. I want to see how tender the steak is. Oh my gosh. The salt is just right in it. The steak is tender. The stir-fry meat, whatever. Oh, yes. Alright, this is amazing. This is really good. I should have fixed some broccoli or something with it. Wow. Alright. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and below there'll be links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to Zaycon Farm Fresh Meats, where you can get fresh meats delivered to your city or town, and you can see if it's delivered to your city or town. And so I hope you have a good night. Talk to you later. Bye.